We are going to learn here. We are going to learn here how to save our work. We are done with our work and we want to save it. Okay, how do we do that? How do we do that? I'm going here. Okay, I'm going to go up here. You've seen where we have save. I'm clicking on it, save. It has shown me different options: resolution, frame rates, estimated size, and all that. This resolution, you can use anyone. I usually use sorry, I usually use the 720. It will not eat much space. One, the resolution is still okay. The pictures are always still nice. Okay, frame rates, I don't touch that area. The estimated size, it has shown you the estimated size 45.3 megabytes. If you don't have space for it to save, it will tell you. So in the resolution, let me choose this first one, this 1080. See, 45. Okay, sorry, 1080 here. Look at the estimated size, 100 MB. Whereas when I go to 720, you have 45 MB. You can see the difference. So, but it's still very okay. You can try any of them. So I now click save. And I would like to let you know that um, when you were I was working on it, or you were working, while you were working and you want to leave the place, maybe to come back, you might not necessarily save it in that way. They will give you the options of, do you want to discard or keep it as drafts. You get, so you choose which one you want. And you want to keep it as drafts, so that you come back, you click on drafts. If you want to delete it because it's maybe you don't like that video, you want to restart a new one, you click on delete. Okay, but right now I want to save it, as in upload it into my own videos in my gallery, so that I can give it to anybody. I can send it to any place, not just drafts. For drafts, it's going to be only on on the application alone. You can't use it outside the application. Okay, we are waiting for it to convert. 82%, 83. So you just need to be patient. You can go and do something. One thing I like in Inshot, I can go and be doing something while it's still exporting. Okay, it has exported. That's all. We can go to our gallery and see that our stuff is there. Videos. That's the last exported something. I wanna play it. That's it. All right, that is it. See you in class. I'll end here this one. See you in the next class. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.